Hey guys, so today I want to share with you my belt pouch that I got from the Pathfinder Gathering in Ohio this past spring, and this has been becoming one of my favorite new pieces of gear. I pretty much take it with me every time I go out in the woods now. I'm scouting some new areas or resource collection, filming videos, whatever. This will pretty much always be with me from here on out. And yeah, this is an awesome belt pouch. It comes from Just a Nazarene leather company. And I actually met them when I was there. They were vendors at the Pathfinder Gathering. Awesome people. They got great products, so let's get into it. So this belt pouch is made from genuine leather, very high quality stuff. You can see their logo right there. It's got a deer antler tip toggle, very cool. And you can just put it underneath that little loop from these leather straps, and to undo the flap, you can also pull this up if you want it to be a lot more loose, easier to get to, and pull it down, and yeah, you got some freedom there. Okay, inside my belt pouch, I've got my land navigation notebook, got my protractor in there, got some backup pencils, and then I've got my Sunto MC2 compass, which also has a mirror and magnifying glass. And I've got an extra lighter, and also in the design, they have this extra space right here on both sides, but you can fit a large ferrocerium rod perfectly. It's got great retention. You can fit a 6-inch long, 1/2-inch thick ferrocerium rod, and that's where I like to keep it as well, because it's very, very quick to access. And maybe on this side I'll put a nice ceramic rod as well. That's what the owner kind of told me about. Perfect spots to put a ceramic rod for sharpening your blades, and also can fit a ferrocerium rod. So this is what I've got currently in my belt pouch that I've been carrying. I've got 3 different ways to start a fire, and I've got all my land navigation materials. So yeah, basically a land navigation fire pouch. I still have my dedicated fire kits in my packs that I usually bring, and I'll probably have an extra lighter in my pocket at all times. But I'm really liking this. It's very comfortable to use. I'm going to put it on. You just got to take these buttons, undo them, put it to where you want it on your belt. I like carrying it in this position. Much more easy for me to carry, and it's more comfortable. Put those buttons together, clasp them, and you're good to go. That's it. And then everything I need is just right there, you know. And this isn't impeded when you're hiking at all. If you sit down, this just folds right up with you. Feels really, really good. I can get my ferrocerium rod out really quick, make a fire. Got access to all my stuff very easily. And you know, fire and land nav, especially in a newer area, it's really easy just to reach in there, get it, and then do what you got to do. So I'm really liking this belt pouch, and it's super easy to take off as well. It's just a matter of grabbing that flap, pulling up, pulling down. Super quick to take on and off. They have other versions, like their original belt pouch doesn't have these buttons. It's just a kind of like a belt loop that's fixed, and you have to take your belt off and slide it on, which that's fine, but I kind of like efficiency, so this is much quicker to take on and off, and really, really awesome stuff, guys. So again, this is the original belt pouch from Just a Nazarene Leather Company. This is the snaps version, very quick to put on and take off. I love handmade leather products, and this thing is awesome. I'm going to carry this for a long time. And like I said, I've met the owners before at the Pathfinder Vendor Gathering. No, what? I met them at the Pathfinder Gathering. They were vendors. And yeah, awesome people. They make high quality stuff. US made, you can support small businesses, and again, you can customize this pouch how you want it to. Fire, land navigation, you can put paracord in here, extra knives, stuff like that, tinder, you name it. If you love camping, bushcraft, survival, I would definitely recommend this. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'm going to have a link in the description of where you can find this, and you can also check out their other products they sell at this website as well. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.